Today I am reviewing the VIOFO A229 Pro 4K HDR Dash Cam. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a high-end dash camera that delivers outstanding video quality, advanced safety features, and reliable 24-hour vehicle protection, the VIOFO A229 Pro 4K HDR Dash Cam is one of the most impressive options available today. Designed with cutting-edge imaging technology and smart driving features, this dual-channel dash cam is built to capture every detail on the road while giving drivers peace of mind. One of the standout highlights of the VIOFO A229 Pro is its dual Sony STARVIS 2 image sensors, specifically the IMX678 for the front camera and IMX675 for the rear camera. These sensors are known for their exceptional image clarity and superior low-light performance. The front camera records in true 4K resolution at 2160p, while the rear camera captures video in 2K resolution at 1440p. This combination ensures that both the front and rear perspectives are recorded with remarkable detail, making it much easier to read license plates, recognize road signs, and capture important moments clearly. Video quality is further enhanced with HDR technology for both the front and rear cameras. High dynamic range helps balance bright highlights and dark shadows, which is especially important when driving in challenging lighting conditions such as direct sunlight, tunnels, or nighttime roads. With the A229 Pro, you get clear footage even when driving at high speeds or in environments where lighting changes rapidly. The advanced night vision 2.0 technology also ensures excellent performance after dark, making nighttime recordings sharp and usable. Another impressive feature is the 24-hour parking mode, which provides around-the-clock protection for your vehicle. When the dash cam detects motion or impact while the car is parked, it automatically records the event. Thanks to its buffered recording feature, the camera saves footage from 15 seconds before the event and 30 seconds after, ensuring you never miss the critical moments that lead up to an incident. The A229 Pro supports 3 parking modes: auto event detection, low bitrate recording, and time-lapse recording, allowing users to choose the best option based on their storage capacity and monitoring needs. The dash cam also includes hands-free voice control, which add an extra level of convenience and safety. With up to 12 different voice commands, drivers can control the device without taking their hands off the steering wheel. For example, you can take a photo, lock a video clip, enable or disable Wi-Fi, or switch camera views simply by speaking. In addition, the camera provides helpful voice notifications for important alerts, such as memory card errors or settings changes. Connectivity is another strong point of the VIOFO A229 Pro. It supports fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi, allowing you to connect the dash cam to the VIOFO mobile app quickly and easily. Through the app, you can view recorded footage, download videos, change settings, and share clips directly to your smartphone. This makes reviewing important recordings or sharing evidence extremely convenient. The dash cam also features a high-precision GPS logger that works with 4 satellite systems: GPS, BEIDOU, GALILEO, and GLONASS. This multi-system support improves positioning accuracy and stability. When reviewing footage, you'll be able to see detailed data including your vehicle's speed, location, and timestamps, which would be extremely helpful in case of accidents or disputes. Durability and reliability are equally important, and VIOFO designed this model with a built-in supercapacitor instead of a battery. Supercapacitors are known for their longer lifespan and better heat resistance. This means the camera can operate reliably in extreme temperatures ranging from 5 degrees Fahrenheit to 149 degrees Fahrenheit, making it suitable for both hot summers and cold winters. The package also includes a CPL filter, or circular polarizing lens, which helps reduce glare and reflections from windshields and shiny road surfaces. This simple addition significantly improves contrast and overall image quality, especially during bright daytime driving. For continuous recording, the A229 Pro uses loop recording, which automatically overwrites the oldest files when the memory card becomes full. At the same time, the emergency lock feature ensures that important footage is protected. If the camera detects a collision or sudden movement, it automatically locks the clip so it won't be overwritten. Overall, the VIOFO A229 Pro 4K HDR Dash Cam stands out as a premium dual-channel dash camera that combines exceptional video quality, smart features, and reliable vehicle protection. With its 4K front recording, 2K rear recording, advanced night vision, voice control, fast Wi-Fi connectivity, and intelligent parking modes, it offers everything drivers need to stay protected on the road. Whether you're commuting daily, driving long distances, or simply want extra security while your car is parked, the VIOFO A229 Pro provides a powerful and dependable solution. It's a dash cam designed not just to record your drive, but to deliver clear evidence, safety, and peace of mind every time you get behind the wheel. Automobile.